What's up, guys? I'm back. Just tightening up the bumper here. I already got these side ones tight, except for one on the other side. I got a problem getting that there because the rad's in the way. But I got this side done here on the frame, and there, that should be better. Yeah, these ones here. There's 3 here. Those are done on both sides. Bumper's lined up really good. And so I'm just got to button these up here now. And then hopefully the bumper will stay in its place, eh? Thank God, we're almost done here. Oh yeah, and then I got that one on top here. But I can't get... I make it kind of hard to get some tools up inside here to get to the other end here. Keep it from turning. Oh no, that one there. Oh no, that one, there's nothing on the other side. That's right. But I can't even put a socket on this one because this bolt is in my way here. Otherwise, I'd put a ratchet on it. But that's just how it is, eh? You know? It wouldn't be right if it was easy. Especially on this car here. And you. I'm going to have to, once I'm all done everything, I'm going to go, I went around, I double check everything and tighten everything down again and mark it, and then I know it's all tight, but I'm just tightening it now to make sure everything is good, and then I can. Ooh, I just about lost my last remaining tooth there. Pretty scary. Yeah, pretty soon I gotta go see a dentist here. Pretty soon. Okay. Alright, where are we here? Okay, this side is done. All right, this side is done. Oh, all right, let's go see what we got on the other side there. I just got 2 more to tighten on that side. The top one is tight. I'll take you over here. Take you over here, eh? Oh, yeah. All right, as you can see, where am I at here? Well, I'm on this side. I'm on this side here, see? Right here. This top one's already tight. See, this one here, there's one here that the rad is in the way here. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get that one. The rad, there's a drain plug on the bottom here, and it's in the way of the nut on the other side, because they don't give you access from the bottom of the frame there for some odd reason, you know. But for now, maybe I'll have to deal with that once I get it up in the air. Well, I gotta give myself more trouble than what it's worth here. Yeah, it lines up really good. I'm pretty sure I got another bracket here I got to put on the bottom of the fender. I do have 2, but I can't seem to really figure out where in the hell they go, because obviously there's one that goes here. I'm going to have to maybe do a little research. All right. Okay. Now we can go. I'll take the jack down, I guess. Oh, take the jack down here. And then we'll see what we got over here. Let's see if it moves. Oh, it didn't even move. It's looking good, man. Looking good. See, the gap is nice here. So I'm going to flip you guys over. I'm going to do another video here. There we go. That even looks better on that side. Well, a better camera, I guess, on that end, eh? So yeah, I got a real nice even gap under there. And it's real nice on the sides here. It looks amazing. It's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. See? It looks really awesome. Yeah, see, I'm pretty sure there's a, here, I gotta take this off here, but there's a little hole here. And I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a bracket here of some kind. I'm gonna have to look into this. Gotta find some pictures, or maybe one of you guys has a picture. It's kind of half the battle trying to remember and find out where all the stuff goes. But I'm starting to run out of parts now, so for the outside here anyways. Okay, so that's about it for that episode. I just got the trunk lid pretty much left to line up, and I think I'm going to put that piece on the bottom of the hood there. Get that on there, because I got the hoods all done now. It's all lined up, and it looks amazing. It looks really amazing. Nothing's in the way there, hopefully. I had to take the latch kind of down there. It doesn't come out, so it was just kind of in my way before. So I can't really get it to stay all the way down right now, but man, oh yeah, it looks good. So the gap's not perfect from one end to the other, but it's pretty much the same on both sides. See, the gap is actually pretty nice. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy about it. So, but wow, look at this. Front end looks amazing. So now I'm going to put that piece up on the bottom of the hood there. Kind of get that on, and that'll kind of finish that off there, and you can see the grills all tie in nicely. Alright guys, so that's about it. For this part, I'm going to just button up a few things here, and I think I'm going to probably call it a day. I got to go and do some, upload some videos. I still got a bunch from the hood polishing thing that I was doing there that I haven't even loaded yet, so got to get that done. I'm getting behind on that, and then I got to learn how to use that other unit that I got there for, anyways, I got to look that up and do some research while my wife is cooking me some dinner here. Alright guys, hope you like the car. I think it looks pretty awesome, and I will talk to you guys later. Share, like, and subscribe, eh?